You and I both know your products and content deserve all of the clicks, but has your audience caught on yet? Well, now you can be sure they will. Get links that will make your target demographic stop and click with a simple tool that uses the power of pixels to revamp your social media campaigns and boost conversions in today's product showcase. What's up, Sumolings? It's your girl Christy from Appsumo. And today we are talking about Switchy, a powerful tool that lets you shorten, customize, manage, and track your links so you can retarget your audience and boost conversions. Before we dive in, make sure you like, comment, and hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on another Appsumo deal. Now let's get you switching to Switchy. On its surface, Switchy.io appears to be a basic link shortener, but turns out it's anything but. Once you paste the long URL of the link you want to share, Switchy lets you fully customize the link, from the description to the picture to the domain. And just like that, you have scroll-stopping content for any of your social media channels. Drag and drop your links into folders to stay organized and check in on their stats whenever you want. Curious about the number of clicks or maybe where your audience found the link? Click on the analytics button for any link and collect every detail you need to run a sophisticated campaign that converts clicks into customers. Switchy uses pixels to track and capture your audience, and you don't even need any technical skills to get started. With a handy guide, you can easily find your pixel ID for every social channel, plus retarget your audience with super segmented ads with a few setting updates. You'll be able to catch and retarget everyone who clicks on your links on any ad platform, like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Google Ads, Bing, etc. With Switchy, add retargeting pixels on any links in just a few seconds, even the ones that redirect to third-party platforms where you cannot normally retarget users. Plus, by running A/B tests and smart ads, you'll have even more efficient campaigns. There's no sense in blowing your budget on links that aren't targeting your audience. So make the switch. Shorten, customize, and track your links to capture and retarget anyone who clicks. Do social media campaigns better with Switchy.io. On the analytics button click on the, yeah, I'm trying, so close. On your links and on, come on.